Introducing the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, a power-packed flagship that redefines speed, endurance, and elegance in the world of smartphones. With its cutting-edge specs and thoughtful design, OnePlus brings users an ultra-fast, ultra-durable, and ultra-premium experience, and that's no exaggeration. Let's dive straight into what makes the Ace 5 Ultra a standout in 2025. Starting with the display, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra features a 6.83-inch AMOLED panel, delivering a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and a crisp 1.5K resolution. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching 4K HDR content, or gaming competitively, the visuals are razor-sharp, fluid, and immersive. With 1400 nits peak brightness, outdoor visibility is excellent, even under direct sunlight. This display isn't just fast and bright, it's beautifully tuned for color accuracy and vibrance, making it a top-tier panel in its class. Under the hood, OnePlus has packed the beastly MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, one of the most powerful processors available in the Android ecosystem today. Built for flagship-level performance, this chip is capable of handling extreme multitasking, heavy gaming, real-time rendering, and AI-driven tasks effortlessly. Paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, with variants going all the way up to 1 TB, the Ace 5 Ultra doesn't just perform, it flies. App launches are instantaneous, animations are fluid, and transitions feel seamless. Unlike some brands that push triple or quad cameras with diminishing returns, OnePlus goes with a refined dual-camera setup, focusing on quality over quantity. It features a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, capable of capturing crisp, clear photos even in tricky lighting conditions. Every shot is packed with detail, natural tones, and low noise clarity. The 8MP ultra-wide lens adds flexibility, allowing you to capture sprawling landscapes, architecture, or group shots with ease. It may be minimal, but it's optimized for performance, and the results speak for themselves: consistent, reliable, and visually appealing. Powering all of this is a massive 6,700 mAh battery, which is a huge upgrade in today's smartphone landscape. That means extended screen-on time, multiple gaming sessions, long hours of video streaming, and still having juice left for the next day. And when you do need a recharge, the 100W Super VOOC fast charging kicks in. In just a matter of minutes, you're back to nearly full charge, reducing downtime and keeping you moving. It's ideal for gamers, professionals, and anyone constantly on the go. The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra doesn't just look premium, it feels built to last. Featuring Crystal Shield glass protection and IP65 rated water and dust resistance, it's durable enough to withstand real-world usage while still maintaining a sleek, elegant aesthetic. The design reflects OnePlus's signature style, a blend of minimalism and futuristic elements that make it stand out without being flashy. Available in bold finishes and refined textures, the phone feels like a flagship through and through. Running on Android 15, the device comes with the latest ColorOS 15, offering a clean, fast, and customizable user interface. With smooth animations, deeper AI integrations, and enhanced privacy features, the experience is as efficient as it is enjoyable. ColorOS 15 also brings multitasking enhancements, smarter notifications, and better resource management, all making the most of the powerful hardware beneath. Rounding out the experience, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra is equipped with the latest connectivity standards, Wi-Fi 7 for blazing fast internet speeds. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby support, delivering an immersive audio experience for music lovers and gamers alike. And yes, OnePlus includes a USB-C port with high-speed data transfer and support for reverse charging. In 2025, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra offers one of the most well-rounded flagship experiences you can get: powerful internals, a beautiful high refresh rate display, blazing fast charging, dependable battery life, and a premium yet durable build. Whether you're a mobile gamer, content creator, or power user looking for a reliable daily driver that delivers on all fronts, this device has everything you need and more. The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra doesn't just keep up with the competition, it leads.